value of the function evaluated at right endpoint. So that implies small mi will be equal to f of what is xi minus 1. Partition abhi likhi thi, that is 2 into I minus 1 by n. Fine. So value of the function at this point, it will be 2 into I minus 1 plus 3. So that becomes 4 into I minus 1 by n plus 3. Similarly, capital Mi will be f of 2i by n. F of 2i by n, because that's fxi, xi is 2i by n. So value of the function evaluated at 2i by n, that is 2 into 2i by n, 4i by n plus 3. This is capital Mi and small mi, and delta is the length of subinterval, that is 2 by n for every subinterval. Fine. So in next slide I will be finding LPF and UPF by plugging in these values into this formula. So LPF would be equal to summation mi delta I1 to n is the number of partitions, number of subintervals, summation I1 to n, the value of small mi as we have evaluated, that is 4 into I minus 1 by n plus 3 multiplied with delta I, that is 2 by n. So that is equal to summation I1 to n, that becomes 8 into I minus 1 by n square plus summation I1 to n 6 by n. Simple mathematical calculations. So I varies from 1 to n. Now 8 by n square is not going to change as I varies. So we'll look at this I minus 1 कि ये कैसे change हो रहा है. जब I 1 होगा this would be 0. When I would be 2 this would be 1. When I would be 3 this would be 2. Up to when I would be n this would be n minus 1. Plus now 6 by n is not going to change as I varies. These are independent of I. So summation of 1, यहाँ पे 1 बचेगा बाकी. Summation of 1 as I varies from 1 to n, that would be n. Now what is this? This is an AP series whose first term is, if you skip this 0, whose first term is 1, number of terms is n minus 1, common difference is 1. So you will apply the formula for sum of AP series. So you get number of terms is n minus 1 divided by 2 into first term plus last term divided by, first term plus last term into n by 2. Number of terms is n minus 1. Plus this n cancels, you will get 6. So this is equal to, ये simple calculations है, 4 into n minus 1 by n plus 6. So that is basically 10 minus 4 by n. That is your LPF, and it is depending on n. As the number of subintervals will change, this LPF is going to change. So as you change the partition, LPF is going to change. Similarly, you will find UPF. UPF is summation of capital Mi delta I varies from 1 to n. You will plug in the value of capital Mi, you will plug in the value of delta I. So I am writing it